Hey guys, it is Danny and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on Tropical Storm ISAIAS, which is still a Caribbean threat, a Bahamian threat, and could be for portions of the southeastern United States, as well as a tropical disturbance just off the coast of Africa that could be our next tropical cyclone. But before I go into details, please ensure to subscribe if you haven't and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right through the hurricane season. And you can also follow me on Instagram. With our account is the girl Dani'i, and my personal account is Dani'i Henry Official. So we want to first go back to that first map, and we want to focus on the disturbance just off the coast of Africa, and that is given a low 20% chance of development through the next 48 hours and 5 days. And it really has limited time, because after about the next couple of days, conditions are expected to be quite unfavorable for any further development. But there is still a chance it has gotten much more organized than it was, and so aside from the Cabo Verde Islands, not a threat to anywhere else, but this still needs to be watched. And next, going on to Tropical Storm Isaias. So this is a very compact tropical cyclone, looking better organized, much better than it was yesterday. It is quite big, and it has been pounding portions of the Caribbean with those heavy rainfall and that's gusty wind, guys. So this is still a threat, and so the center is located just somewhere around there. So we see that most of the convection going off to the east of the center of the system. And then for the potential intensity, here we have most of our models keeping this as a tropical storm, some taking it up to being a category 1 hurricane, and we have one showing this becoming a major hurricane or a category 3 hurricane. And again, a hurricane from this is not impossible, because the maximum winds expected from the National Hurricane Center are 70 miles per hour, not far from being category 1. And so for the potential path, here we have our GFS ensemble tracks. The black one is the main or the average out of all of these other minor tracks. So we're expecting that to be moving on the west-northwesterly track and start to move northward just off the coast of Florida, and then eventually turning out to the northeast when it is off the east coast of the US. And so here's the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty. So as of now, the storm has winds of 60 miles per hour, acceleration quickly to the northwest at 20 miles per hour. So we see that in blue is a tropical storm warning in effect for most of the Bahamas, the Turks and Caicos Islands, as well as Hispaniola and Puerto Rico, and some of the Virgin Islands as well. And we have a tropical storm watch, which is in yellow, being in place for the northern Bahamian Islands. And so we're expecting that the storm continues, as I said, on that northwesterly track or west northwesterly track, and then eventually turn out. So fortunately, not expected to move into the US, but again, that is not impossible. It is expected to still bring some impacts to portions of the eastern coast of the US, guys. And so I will keep giving updates as time goes by. And if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always board the wise, and I will keep giving updates on the tropics as time goes by.